County, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm.
County in eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania,
Until 4:45 p.m.
At 4:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Delano to near Hartsville to near Warnersville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Reading, Lehighton, Bethlehem, Pottstown, Emmaus, Wyomissing, Northampton, Palmerton, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Jim Thorpe, Sladington, Fleetwood, Sicking Spring, Laureldale, Nesquehoning, Weatherly, Wernersville, and Walnutport. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 304. Northeast extension between mile markers 48 and 83.
It is not from my county.
Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 35 and 65. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m.
In Pennsylvania, Berks, Carbon, Chester, Lehigh, Montgomery, and Northampton.